How can Lilu's boat move on a day without wind? Lilu can use a propeller boat. Planet Earth's main source of energy is the sun. Lilu also needs the sun to move, to play, to work, and to turn the propeller boat's rubber band. You may be wondering, why does Lilu need the sun for this? First of all, we need to think about where Lilu and we humans get our energy from. Do you have an idea? Yes, exactly. By eating food, for example, animal products or plants. In our body, the energy contained in the food is converted and stored for later use. So, by eating, Lilu gets the energy to be able to roll up the rubber band. However, energy can never simply be created, but is always converted from one form of energy to another. So, where does the energy that plants store come from? This is where the sun comes into play. Because in the process of photosynthesis, solar energy is converted into chemical energy, which the plants need. Thus, when Lilu transfers energy to the rubber band, it acquires potential energy that will be converted into kinetic energy, the energy related to movement and that causes the boat to move in the water. Wow, what an amazing journey the energy makes. Next time you see the sun, think of all the wonderful energy it gives us.